All right, Miss Laredo again here with you guys. This is a really quick video on how to add Google Slide and Google Doc templates to an assignment. So if you've tried to do this before, then you know that when you create an assignment, there is an option right here to assign from Google Drive. Now, what's really irritating about this is that even if I add the assignment from my Google Drive here, when I share this assignment to other courses, then it's not going to stay attached. I'm going to have to go into every single one of my sections and reattach it. And then sometimes, as you can see, it doesn't even always work. It tells me that the documents from Google Drive are not supported. So the way that I've gotten around this, of both of these issues, is by including a link here of the template. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up here for you guys. So open up the Google Slides assignment template here. Now, what's really neat about this is if you notice when I click on it, it forces a copy. So you're not going to get questions of, well, can I access this? You don't get students requesting access for a document. You don't have to risk students editing your document. You do what's called a forced copy. Now, how do you create a forced copy? Because that's not a setting that is in Google. It's something that you have to do. So the way that you can do that is that you go into any document. So for example, if I wanted to force a copy of this document, our resource library, then I'm going to go here to share. The first thing I'm going to do is I need to change this from restricted to Aldine Independent School District. Anyone can view. And I'm going to copy this link. And then I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to paste it in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here where it says edit. And I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to write copy instead of edit. And I hit enter. And it forces a copy. Now this is the link that I'm going to grab, and when I'm putting it in Schoology, that's the link I'm going to use. So how do you embed a link into an assignment like this? Super easy. You just go here, link. You can paste your link here. Test link. You got to title it. And then it pastes those words, the title that you have right there, test link, and now it's a clickable link for students. So another little handy little tip that I've been doing for my students is that we record a lot of instruction videos and modeling videos. So if I'm asking a student to create an assignment using this template, then I'm going to create it first, and I'm going to create a video of me creating it so that any issues that that students may come across will hopefully be addressed in that video. Now, if a student knows how to use this product, then maybe they won't need to watch the video. So this is like an optional resource for students. So you're going to get a lot less questions about, well, this didn't work or that didn't work or I don't know how to do this. So you just create the video of you doing it for them. So you're modeling it for them, just like we would do if we were in the classroom. I also have attached the completed model here, so maybe they don't want to watch the video, they just want to see the completed model instead of watching the video. That's fine, they can do either one. So here's the attached assignment, and here is the video that they can watch if they're not sure how to do it.